All right, I'm back with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and there was a something happened in California that David introduced me to that I was not aware of, but I did my research real quick, and at Servite, Servite High School, there was kind of a competition with young women dancing. I don't think it was just young women, but the Rosary High girls were performing a dance, and the stage collapsed when they were performing this dance, and 24 of the girls actually fell through the stage. If you go to YouTube and search Servite High School Rosary High dance, you can see it. It's only about 30 seconds. But from a legal standpoint, David, what's going to happen in the next 3 to 6 days or next week or next month as it relates to these girls if they're really injured? Or do they have a legal opportunity to file a lawsuit against that high school?
Well, first of all, I'd like to say that I sympathize with everyone that's been injured in this accident. It's pretty tragic. As a parent myself, if my daughter was up on the stage or my child was up on the stage and this happened, I'd be pretty concerned right now. So my heart goes out to these parents and family members of these girls who got injured in this accident. In terms of a liability sense, when these accidents occur, there's a lot of early on investigation goes, and the good thing about it, I could say, is that because it was such a tragic incident and there was numerous number of people injured in this accident, the appropriate authorities usually are involved in determining the cause of this particular accident. I mean, there's experts who come into the scene and determine as to why this stage collapsed. I've done a little bit of research as well. It says something to the effect of excessive weight must have been the reason, but nobody knows because it's early on, and we'll eventually find out what the cause of it was. But usually, in my experience, has been that, for example, if it is excessive weight, well then somebody should have known that this particular stage can hold up only up to a certain amount of people. I mean, if you, like you said, look at the video, it's clear there's a number of people on this stage, and whoever is supervising this performance would have or should have known of the maximum weight capacity for this stage and should have said, okay, well, we can't have everyone on the stage at the same time. It's a risk hazard, and we should make sure that we prevent that. Maybe we have some people come or not. So these are some of the theories that can be pursued and determined as to whether somebody is at fault of this accident. What I usually tell somebody who's called me is, as lawyers, I'll take on the responsibility to retain the right experts and the right people, and my office will pursue it because we got the right staff and the resources to determine what the cause was, as well as recovering the maximum compensation that these injured people need in order to recover for the injuries as a result of this accident.
Absolutely, and that's very valuable information, David. And if any of you out there are parents or the young women that have unfortunately been in this situation, the phone number to David's office will be in the YouTube video as well as below the YouTube video and the information. And the number is free. You can talk to David, or you can talk to one of his associates for free to determine what exactly will happen in the next few days. But it will be interesting to see how this one comes out. Thank you very much for your time, David.
Thank you.